You know what I mean? Like, hey.
All right. Well, did the leaders in your family teach or guide the members of your family how to become wealthy?
In America, two things are happening. Somebody is buying and somebody's selling. Right now, we're doing all the damn buying. Stop it. Sell something. If you bake cookies, put them in a box and sell it to somebody. If you live on a farm, take the manure, put it in a bag, put your name on it. You can become an entree-manure, okay? Stop doing all the damn buying and sell something in this country. You can sell anything. What's wrong with us?
Master P gave a speech 2 days ago at the Icon Awards for the motion picture people. And he said, broke people think that you need money to be successful. Rich people know that you need ideas. Money is everywhere, but ideas are limited.
You will be wealthier.
My wife and I were flipping our first house.
When you shift the way you see things, then your life is going to shift.
Money is a tool for what you want. Money is not what you want. You don't want money.
So that goes to show that you don't have faith when you do not take your money and put it into those accounts to earn interest. When you're scared thinking that something is going to happen, God says, who are you trusting in? Because I'm the one that has created the money system.
Well, I then got offered $350 million for my company.
It says you owe about $538,000.
That the individual and the individual family unit is responsible for filling their own cups.
I went from being homeless and living on the street to owning properties in Baltimore.
And that's why I decided to start a bank.
Good brother William, you were just sharing with us that there's a challenge we need to overcome. So say what you say.
So thank you. I was sharing with you that we were talking about a challenge earlier, and that how often it is that because our community has been kept out of ownership for so long, that when we get something that's ownership or that we're close to ownership, we want to have 100% of it. We want to wrap our arms around it, and we want to do all the things and not share it because we finally have something. But the point I want to make is, oftentimes we wrap our hands around something, but it's symbolically a grape, when we could have just a slice of what could be a watermelon. And the point and the thing to bring that home is, I've read many times that Jeff Bezos, the owner of Amazon, only owns about 10% of the company. Now, he is the second richest person on the planet, and he only owns 10% of the company that he created. Now, imagine if he would have put his arms around it and said, nope, I'm not going to share, I'm not going to do anything, it's just going to be mine. I think he'd still be running a bookstore or online bookstore. But because he did the things to expand the business and to bring others along, he only owns 10% of the company, but he's the second richest person on the planet.
We have to fix our minds. We are still deeply wounded people.
So in order for us to have generational wealth, we must have mental wealth first.
Check this out. So this is proof that you can absolutely train your brain and your body, which are your servants, not the master.
No idea or vision is too large, as long as you are able to outline the steps to get it done. So it's not a matter of if you can do it, it's how.
how to truly be the bank. I like to try things out in small dollars. I think a misconception is that you have to have millions of dollars to do note investing. And it's not that. There's a lot of notes out there that people can buy for a few $100s or a few $1,000s.
So if you start looking at it as not a solid structure, but just a collection of things that need to be disentangled, then eventually that wall doesn't look so scary.
It's not worth it to give up because there's other people on the other side that need you to be here. It's not worth it because there's something that you were born with that only you can do. There is an antidote to somebody's cancer that only you carry.
The big thing is you gotta want more. You gotta have accountability around you. Don't sit around people that are fine with their situation. You gotta have people that they want more as well. Because you're gonna run into people that are gonna tell you, why can't you just be satisfied? And that's the Scarface thing. You be happy, like in the movie. You should be happy with what you have. No, you be happy.
Just breathe. So Martin Lawrence had it right on Bad Boys. Woosah. You gotta learn the woosah.
I don't know about her, but I've been free ever since. To the point that when she got remarried, I paid for part of her wedding.
Oh boy, you think you so special. Boys don't cry. Boy, you gon' fear me if you don't fear nobody else. Why would we ever choose to give our children something to cry about?
All right, we're at the bully.
Show me what you got, baby. Show me what you got. Show me what you got, baby. Show me what you got. Show me what you got, baby. Show me what you got.
Okay, so this was sit down.
I like it like that. I like it like that.
Right there, huh?
No. Oh yeah.
No, it's just
dry rock.
Good morning, how are you?
Uh.